Hello everybody, so first off I'm starting out with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just using this to carve out the shape of my eyebrows before I use my brow gel. The brow gel I'm using today is my favorite gel to use. It's the NYX brow gel in the color Espresso. And I'm just going right into my brows using hair-like motions, and I'm keeping it very light, that way that it'll be easy for everything to look natural. I hope everyone is having a blessed day and enjoying, if you're off work, or if you're even, watching this after work. I hope you're enjoying yourself, because I know times are really weird right now with the virus and everything that's going on. So I just wanted to put out some content for you guys. Hopefully this is very satisfying and calming, so you'll have some content during your quarantine. So yeah. So here you'll see that I'm just using some Hydrogen anti-stress moisturizer, and I'm using that just to hydrate my face. It's really nice, really soothing to the skin. And then I'm going to use my favorite foundation, which is the Juvia's Place foundation. I forgot which color it was. I believe it's 330. All I know is I went up higher than the colors that I got for the review video. But yeah, I just like to put that all over the face with the flat foundation brush. And then you'll see that I kind of just smooth everything out with a beauty blender. This way I can get maximum coverage but a smooth finish. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my Juvia's Place concealer just to highlight right under the eyes, the nose, the forehead, and also my cupid's bow and my chin. I wanted to make the highlight just a little brighter, so I used the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C12. This one is very full coverage, and it also, what I noticed is it doesn't crease. I have very creasy under eye areas, so when I use this combination, it doesn't crease at all. So after spraying my face with some MAC Fix Plus, I just blend everything out with the beauty blender. Spraying my face just helps to bring some moisture back into the skin, because I do often let my concealer sit on my face for at least 25 seconds so that everything can dry down and I can get the most coverage out of them. But yeah, the Fix Plus just makes everything melt into the skin. So now you'll see me setting my concealer with some flower powder by Beauty Bakery, and this is in the color Plantain. I also mixed it with my RCMA powder just to make it a little lighter, and it actually helps to spread the powder so it's less thick. And to contour my face, I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses contouring palette. And I just like to go right into my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and my nose. If you noticed, I brought my concealer all the way down because my face is pretty thin. So if I bring my concealer all the way down, it still gives my cheeks the lifted effect without making my cheekbones look too sunk in. So that's just a little tip for you guys. Then I'm going to use my MAC Mineralizing Skin Finish Powder, and this is in the color Dark. And I'm just going to use that to set all over. We basically set the face with the flower powder, but this is to make everything one tone. And I also put it onto my eyelids, that way I don't have to use any eyeshadow. And I have that really natural, no makeup look. Now moving on to the best part, which is the lashes. These lashes are called Classic Queen from Queens of Vanity Cosmetics, and that is actually my own brand that I will be launching very soon. I'll leave everything in the description down below, you guys, because I just love everything. But yeah, so then I'm going to bronze my skin using this Wet n Wild bronzer called What Shady Beaches, and it's really affordable. One of my favorite bronzers, honestly. But yeah. So you want to make sure the face is nice and bronzed, because we're not going to add any blush. But then we're going to add some highlighter that's nice and gold and really close to the skin tone, because you want the skin to look like it has like a glowy appearance from within. So your color choice is very important. Now you can, you know, go a little brighter or be a little more bold since the face is so natural. But because this is a natural glam, I just decided to keep it, you know, neutral and natural. So now you want to melt the skin and make everything look flawless and seamless. And I'm using my MAC Fix Plus spray. This is really good if you have dry skin as well. So you just want to let that dry. And then we're going to move on to the lip color. So actually, I forgot this step. So I don't want my pimples to show. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take some of that brow gel and just put a little dot right over that pimple. That way you can't even see it, you know? Nice and cute, right? So now I'm going in with Chestnut by MAC, and I'm just going to line my lips and get it prepped for the lip gloss that we're using today. So the lip gloss that we're using today is called Pink Panther, and this is also from my Queens of Vanity cosmetic line. It's just a nice sheer gloss that has like a little tiny bit of a pink tint to it, but it also has gold reflexes to bring out the color and also bring out the color in your lips. Alright, you guys, you've reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys see how pretty this is? Like, isn't it bomb? I'm gonna leave all of the information down below about the lashes and lip gloss. Make sure you guys stay safe and enjoy, you know, whatever time you may have off, or even, you know, just enjoy this video as a whole. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.